Hi friends, my name is Amol Jadhav, working as assistant professor in Department of Mathematics with the President's Kamal Nayan Bajaj Institute of Engineering and Technology, Varanasi. My subject is Engineering Mathematics 3, unit Laplace transform, and today we discuss topic Laplace transform by series expansion. This is lecture number 5 on Laplace transform unit. Today's topic is Laplace transform by series expansion. Laplace transform by series expansion. We know that standard series expansions of sin x, cos x, tan x, e raised to x, log of 1 plus x, log of 1 minus x. Out of these, only two are important. Sin x series expansion is 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x square x raised to 4 by 4 factorial minus x raised to 6 by 6 raised to 6 factorial plus x raised to 8 by 8 factorial plus dot dot dot, and sin x series is x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial minus x raised to 7 by 7 factorial plus dot dot dot. These two are very important in series expansion, Laplace transform by series expansion. Only these two are important. Example, find Laplace transform of sine of t square. We know that sine t Laplace transform. See, first example, find Laplace transform of sine t square. Here, use sin x series expansion, x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial minus dot dot dot. But here sine of t square, we have to find Laplace transform sine of t square. So first find sine of t square. First find sine of t square. Use series expansion of sin x. Put x equal to t square. Then sine of t square is, put here, or x replaced by t square. Then sine of t square equal to t square cube by 3 factorial, t square raised to 5 by 5 factorial, and simplification is t square minus 1 by 6, 3 factorial is 6, so 1 by 6 into t square cube is 3 raised to 6 plus 5 factorial, 1 upon 5 factorial is 1 upon 120, and t square raised to 5 is t raised to 10. So here sine of t square is t square minus 1 by 6 t raised to 6 plus 1 by 20, 120 into t raised to 10. Now take Laplace transform on both sides. So left side Laplace transform of sine of t square equal to this t square Laplace transform minus 1 by 6 constant. So Laplace transform of t raised to 6 plus 1 upon 120 is constant, and Laplace transform of t raised to 10 minus dot dot dot. Not necessary to find next terms Laplace transform. So Laplace transform of t square. Use here result. Laplace transform of t raised to n is n factorial divided by s raised to n plus 1, and then t square Laplace transform is 2 factorial divided by s raised to 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 6 as it is. T raised to 6 is 6 factorial divided by s raised to 6 plus 1 plus 1 upon 120, and t raised to 10 is 10 factorial divided by s raised to 10 plus 1 minus dot dot dot. Simplification part is write down 2 factorial, 6 factorial, 10 factorial, this 126. Simplification. Next part is simplification. So after simplification we get result Laplace transform of sine of t square is 2 upon s cube minus 120 divided by s raised to 7 plus 726485760 divided by s raised to 11. This is Laplace transform sine of t square. We know that sine series, but x replaced by t square, then we get sine of t square, series of sine of t square, and find Laplace transform of each term. This is very simple. This is Laplace transform by series expansion. Next example, find Laplace transform of cos of root t divided by root t. So here first find out series cos root t. cos of root t. Find out first cos of root t series expansion. Then divide each term by root t. First use series expansion. Cos x equal to 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial minus x raised to 6 by 6 factorial. Here put x equal to root t. So cos root t is 1 minus root t square divided by 2 factorial plus root t raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial minus root t raised to 6 divided by 6 factorial plus dot dot dot. After simplification we get 1 minus 1 by 2 into t plus 1 by 24 into t square minus 1 upon 720 into t cube plus dot dot dot. Series expansion of cos of root t. Now find cos root t divided by root t, that is divide both sides by root t, then cos root t divided by root t is, right side is 1, so 1 upon root t minus 1 by 2 as it is and t upon root t plus 1 by 24 as it is t square by root t minus dot dot dot. After simplification of this, 1 upon root t means t raised to minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 as it is, and t upon root t it's t raised to 1 by 2, t square upon root t square upon root t is power 1 by 2, and after shifting this numerator, then 2 minus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So cos root t divided by root t series expansion is t raised to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into t raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 24 into t raised to 3 by 2. This is final series expansion of cos root t divided by root t. Now take Laplace transform on both sides. So first term t raised to minus 1 by 2, second term t raised to 1 by 2, third term t raised to 3 by 2, Laplace transform of t raised to minus 1 by 2, Laplace transform of t raised to 1 by 2, Laplace transform of t raised to 3 by 2, 1 by 24, 1 by 2 constant. Next step is Laplace transform of cos root t divided by root t equal to gamma function of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by s raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 as it is into gamma function of 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by s raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 24 as it is, and gamma function of 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by s raised to 3 by 2 plus 1. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 2. This is simplification step. 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2. Now use results. Gamma 5 by 2 is 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 3 by 4 into root pi. Gamma 3 by 2 is 1 by 2 into root pi, and gamma 1 by 2 is root pi. So put these values in above Laplace transform. So we get this gamma 1 by 2 is root pi divided by s raised to 1 by 2 is root s minus 1 by 2 as it is, and gamma 3 by 2 divided by s raised to 3 by 2, that is s raised to 3 by 2, that is cube root of s, and gamma 3 by 2 is 1 by 2 into root pi. Similarly s raised to 5 by 2 is fifth root of s, and this gamma 5 by 2 is 3 by 4 into root pi. So after simplification of this 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 root pi divided by cube root of s, and this 3 by 4 and 1 by 24 is 1 by 8 root pi divided by fifth root of s. So final answer is root pi divided by root s minus 1 by 4 into root pi divided by cube root of s plus 1 by 8 into root pi divided by fifth root of s minus dot dot dot. This is Laplace transform of cos root t divided by root t by using series expansion of cos t. Thank you.